परेड पर आने वाले अगले अधिकारी हैं लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल देवेंद्र शर्मा, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, सेना मेडल, जनरल ऑफिसर कमांडिंग इन चीफ, हेडक्वार्टर्स, आर्मी ट्रेनिंग कमांड.
Lieutenant General Devendra Sharma is an alumnus of Mayo College, Ajmer, National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla, and Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. He was commissioned into the Sindh Horse on 19 December 1987. In a career spanning 37 years, he has a rich and varied experience in command, staff, and instructional appointments. He served with 11 Rajputana Rifles in Operation Rakshak in counter-insurgency operations, where he was conferred with the award of Sena Medal for gallantry. The General Officer is an alumnus of Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, College of Defence Management, Secunderabad, and Indian Institute of Public Administration, New Delhi. He was awarded the Chief of Army Staff Trophy for standing first in the overall order of merit while doing higher defence management course from College of Defence Management, Secunderabad. He has donated important staff and instructional appointments, which include Instructor Class C at National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla, Brigade Major of an Armoured Brigade, Assistant Military Secretary at Military Secretary's Branch, Colonel General Staff of an Armoured Division and Area Headquarters, Colonel Quartermaster of an Infantry Division, Brigadier General Staff Operations of a Strike Corps, Major General General Staff Operations, and Chief of Staff, Headquarters Western Command. The General Officer has done 2 foreign assignments. He was General Staff Officer to Operations at Headquarters Indian Military Training Team, Bhutan, and later served as the Chief Military Personnel Officer at United Nations Organization and Stabilization Mission in Democratic Republic of the Congo. The General Officer, for his distinguished service, has been conferred with the Presidential Awards of Ati Vishisht Seva Medal. He is also a recipient of the Central Army Commander's Commendation Card and United Nations Force Commander's Appreciation. He assumed the appointment of General Officer Commanding in Chief, Army Training Command on 1st July 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, Lieutenant General Devendra Sharma, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Sena Medal, General Officer Commanding in Chief, Headquarters, Army Training Command.